Even a man who is pure in heart and says his prayers by night can become a wolf when the wolfbane blooms and the autumn moon is bright. Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer, my editor, and also my dog Sophie is right over here staring at me. As you can tell by what I just said, today is exciting. We're going to do a recipe based on the Universal monster movie, The Wolf Man. There's a new one that just came out called Wolf Man. I have not seen it. I've heard mixed things about it. I'll probably go to see it, at some point. But I've heard it's not really a Wolf Man movie per se. So we'll see. But what I'm making today is based on the Universal classic 1941 Lon Chaney Jr., The Wolf Man. Lawrence Talbot gets bitten by a werewolf, and then he in turn becomes the Wolf Man. So this is exciting. So we're going to be making Wolf Man Meatball Bites. Actually, they're called the Wolf Man Meatball Bites, which is perfect because, werewolves, wolfmen, they like meat. Let's just be honest here. They prefer meat. So I'm excited. I just got this new Universal Monsters cookbook, and it's my favorite thing in the world right now. But this is the first one I'm going to make for the channel. I can't wait. Universal Pictures, Universal Monsters, The Wolf Man. These are the Wolf Man Meatball Bites. At least I think that's the name. Let me double check, and I'll be right back. Yes, they are called the Wolf Man's Meatball Bites. And it comes from this cookbook, the Universal Monster Cookbook, Classic Horror and Classic Cuisine. I'll put a link to where you can buy this in the description of the video, but this book is amazing. I got it for Christmas. So exciting. I'm obsessed with it. So go out and get it as soon as you can. And I will show you how to make the Wolfman's Meatball Bites. Okay, so you might have noticed that the baking sheet changed after I put it into the oven. Well, I started off with a cookie sheet and I was worried that the grease would spill over, so I switched it over to a baking sheet. That's why it magically transformed while it baked. And I probably didn't even need to tell you that, actually, but there you have it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try these. They look delicious right off the bat. I can tell that I think I'm going to like this, but let's give it a taste just to make sure. Oh, wow. This is delicious, very tender, amazing flavor. Oh, wow, this is good. This is good. I'd put this in my top 5, I think, of meatballs, and I'm not just saying that. I would just say that, but I'm not just saying that. This is fantastic. Very tender, great flavor. I can see why Larry Talbot, aka the Wolf Man, would really enjoy these. You know what? If he ate enough of these, he wouldn't have to go out at night and search for, search for prey, I guess you'd say. Yeah, just eat these, Larry, and it'll be fine. These are great. I'm gonna give these an 8 out of 10. Delicious. I'm gonna make these every time I watch The Wolf Man. I might actually go watch The Wolf Man right now. I haven't seen it since last year. It's one of my favorite of the Universal monsters. But yes, fantastic, delicious. I love it. Thank you, Larry Talbot. Okay, and one last thing. These meatballs are also best served with your favorite sauce. Meatball sauce, spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce, vodka sauce, or you can just eat them while you're sauced. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you can make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it right now. Sophie, geez. You can also hit the like button. That really helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can hit the notification bell, and we'll have a new video. It's usually 2 per week, 1 or 2 per week. And also leave a comment. I'd like to know if you've seen the new Wolf Man movie. Let me know what you thought of it, and also what's your favorite Universal monster. Mine is actually probably the Mummy. I also like the Creature from the Black Lagoon. I also like the Wolf Man. I don't know. I like them all actually. But I would have to say the Mummy. Yeah. So leave a comment on that. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.